Now to fix this Node-Vulcanjs error and delete all the Adobe processes like Adobe CCX from the Windows task. Now for this, you can type in task scheduler in Windows search box and then click on it. Now over here, if you look for, here you can see Adobe CCX-Process. You can make a right click and you can delete it. And if you find anything that says Adobe, you can delete it. So I'm deleting all the Adobe process from here. Check if you have any other Adobe process. So it's done. Now that should fix the problem, but still not working. The next step is to close all Adobe application on your computer. So if you have Adobe Creative Cloud, anything running, close it. Make a right click in the task manager, make a right click in the start menu, go to task manager. If you find anything that says Adobe or Creative Cloud, you can end the process. Anything Adobe, so I have this Acrobat. I also have Adobe Reader running. Make a right click and the task. So close everything that is Adobe related to Adobe, and then you can check. Next step is to uninstall Adobe software. So if you have Adobe software, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then you can reinstall the latest version of Adobe software, and that should fix the problem. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Download this x86 and x64. So click on it. Click on repair. If you see repair, if you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. You have to install both x86 and x64. Run this exe file. If you see repair, click on repair. If you see the install option, hit install and let the installation complete. Once installed, restart your PC and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.